So my mission on earth, have time for Jesus. Have time for Jesus. Many of you, if you come to church, you are giving God time. You are counting. If I count that way in my life, I will not be who I am today, that you are criticizing me. Look at me, a fellow human being like you. I deliver a lot of occult men. I have their videos. Ogoni people. Poisons that see me, I run away. Sickness see me, run away. And you don't have time for Jesus. You cannot committed your life to Christ. There is nothing you are doing for Jesus in your life. Two things you are here in the world to do. Go to your business and go and worship God. Any other thing, go to beer parlor, go to parlor. You go to club, go to a friends club meeting. You are on your own. Look at me today. Those things you fear me, because I have time for Jesus. Anytime you see yourself, you are not eager or hungry to go to church and worship God, your life is heading for destruction. You are in the church. You are not happy to be in the presence of God. When David said, I am happy when they say that today is to worship God. When you are not happy to be in the presence of God, you are giving in time. I want to go somewhere. You are a useless child. Look at me today. You are talking nonsense. I commit my life in chains of Jesus. Obono yangola ngongwaje ngo ke bia me miracle wepu enyule. Obono ifa na agwa agwo ke di bia me nugo miracle me. Oh, commitment in Christ. Have time for Jesus.